Hey, Richard here, and a glacier. So that's a big glacier there, and it goes all the way down the hill. Even the dirty bit is glacier. It's just stones on top of it. Obviously, they've been around for thousands of years. But when you're up here at this type of height, I think we're about close to 3,000 meters. You look at all the valley, and you look at everything, and you get a much higher perspective, much broader perspective from a helicopter view, they call it. Now we're running a workshop soon, and you're entitled and invited to be there, and you've got to work out whether you want to come. And I want you to think about a couple of things, because the first thing you're going to say is, I haven't got time, which is what everyone says, I haven't got time. It's a good idea, I'd like to, but I haven't got time. Now, everyone's got the same time. You've got the same time as Einstein, and the same time as Donald Trump, and the same time as Richard Branson, and the same time as everybody. It's really about what you do with that time. And one of the benefits you're going to get for those who do come, and I'll talk to you as if you are coming, what you're going to get is you're going to get big picture perspective. So you're going to be sitting above all marketing, looking down on it, because I'll give you that perspective by lifting you up. And then occasionally what we'll do is how often have you been on a glacier? And this close, that's the glacier right there. So occasionally we'll dive right down, and we'll get right up detailed close so you can see it and walk on it and understand exactly every little aspect of marketing. And then we'll shoot back up again and give you the big picture perspective. So there's a lot of things you can do, and I know everyone's busy, but marketing is one of those things that you can never get away from. You'll never out-earn your marketing. And marketing and sales is your pathway to the next level up and to a different life. It's more than just good marketing and getting more projects. It's about good marketing, getting more projects, and because you have got better projects, you're able to command higher fees and all that type of stuff, and that changes lives, right? And so I think it's pretty important. I think it's pretty important you be there, and it's pretty important you find time to be there. So I'm commanding you, really. I'm saying you must be there. Get yourself there. Find a way to get there, and listen to if you've got an excuse, listen to that excuse of what that is. I don't have. I want you there, right? If you think marketing can't help you, come along. Because I'll prove to you it does. We'll change what you're saying to your marketplace, and we'll change how they react to you. If you think it can do something for you, then I want you there. Either way, I want you there, right? It won't be a big group. It won't be a huge number of people. We'll be able to work, you get to meet us all personally and things like that, and we'll get to work on your stuff. So get a big picture perspective. We're going to get a big picture perspective. We're going to hone in on certain aspects and get a narrow perspective, and we're going to focus on it for the whole day. And I've never met anyone who's gone away going, man, that was a waste of time. I wish I hadn't done that. So anyway, look forward to seeing you there, because now I know you're going to be there. I think we've eliminated many of your excuses. Can't afford it? You can't afford not to be there. If you can't afford it, you need more money, you need better marketing, you need to win better projects. You need to be there. Time, I don't accept time as a reason either. Get there. I want to help you. I want to help you personally. So get yourself there, and that's it. We've got stones. Probably can't see them, but you might be able to hear them falling down the glacier. It's kind of exciting. Anyway, see you soon.